Welcome to the Next Gen Auto Hub. Writing. Intro. In 1997, Toyota introduced a brand new minivan that would forever change its presence in the North American family vehicle market, the Toyota Sienna. Designed to replace the aging Toyota Previa, the first-generation Sienna was built with a clear focus: offer a practical, safe, and reliable minivan tailored specifically to the needs of American families. Built in Indiana, the 1997 Toyota Sienna marked Toyota's dedication to producing vehicles that blended Japanese engineering with American practicality. Exterior design. The 1997 Sienna carried a more conventional design compared to the Previa's egg-like shape. Toyota went with a boxy yet refined body, characterized by smooth edges, a subtle front grille, and wide headlights. Its appearance wasn't flashy but purposeful, designed to blend into suburban driveways while offering maximum interior room. Sliding rear doors on both sides made entry easy for passengers, while the compact exterior dimensions gave it a tighter turning radius than some rivals, making it easier to maneuver in city traffic. Interior comfort and features. Step inside, and the 1997 Sienna felt immediately family-friendly. The interior was spacious enough to seat 7 passengers comfortably across 3 rows. High-quality materials, supportive seats, and a simple dashboard layout emphasized Toyota's reputation for reliability and ease of use. Parents appreciated the thoughtful design, including large cup holders, wide-opening rear doors, and flexible seating configurations. Cargo space was another strong point. The third-row seats could fold flat, creating a generous cargo bay for strollers, groceries, or even sports gear. Toyota designed the Sienna to be as much about everyday convenience as long family road trips. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1997 Sienna came equipped with a 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing around 194 horsepower. This engine gave the Sienna smooth acceleration and enough power to handle highway driving even when fully loaded with passengers and luggage. Mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain was tuned more for comfort and efficiency than speed. Front-wheel drive came standard, ensuring predictable handling and a car-like driving feel. The suspension setup leaned toward comfort, absorbing bumps and delivering a smoother ride compared to many competitors. Fuel economy, averaging around 18 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, was competitive for the segment at the time. Safety. Safety has always been a hallmark of Toyota vehicles, and the 1997 Sienna was no exception. Dual front airbags were standard, and anti-lock brakes were available. The body was engineered to meet strict safety standards, giving families peace of mind. Toyota's attention to detail made the Sienna one of the more trusted minivans of its era when it came to protecting passengers. Market impact and legacy. When it launched, the Toyota Sienna faced stiff competition from the likes of the Honda Odyssey, Chrysler Town & Country, and Dodge Caravan. However, it quickly stood out for its reliability, low maintenance costs, and practical design. Families looking for a dependable daily driver that wouldn't let them down gravitated toward the Sienna, helping it build a reputation that continues to this day. The 1997 Sienna laid the foundation for future generations. It wasn't the flashiest minivan on the market, but it delivered on what mattered most: comfort, safety, and reliability. Over time, these qualities turned the Sienna into one of Toyota's most successful nameplates in North America. Closing. The 1997 Toyota Sienna may not have been the boldest or most powerful minivan of its time, but it struck the perfect balance for families who wanted a vehicle they could trust. From its spacious interior and capable V6 engine to its focus on safety and convenience, the first-generation Sienna proved that Toyota understood the needs of American households. Even decades later, the legacy of the 90s. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.